Hi, this is Ethan Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 7262. Trim from the 12th 2022 to the current shape. Is a DXWA 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a DXWA 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 20-inch aftermarket rear good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 20-inch aftermarket rear good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch aftermarket rear good tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 20-inch aftermarket rear good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.